welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shazia. After a very long time, I'm back with a review video, and today I'm going to be reviewing these false eyelashes from the brand Mumuso. And I'm sure you guys are aware of this brand now because it is there everywhere right now. You can find it in all of the countries. The store is just really trending, and it has like such amazing products, starting from household to beauty products to even makeup. And so I got these lashes from Mumuso Dubai. These retail for 880, that is 8 dirhams, and definitely, so this price is very affordable. I should say, like 8 dirhams is really affordable for two pairs of eyelashes that you get. And you can, like I told you guys, the store is there everywhere. So even if you are residing in India, you can get these lashes for a very affordable price. So yeah, guys, this is the packaging of the lashes. This is how it comes in a transparent like plastic packaging, like you can see. And behind, there's no style or anything of that sort mentioned. They've only mentioned the material of the lashes, which is artificial fiber, and then they talk a little bit about the product and about the lashes, and then they also have mentioned how to use, so that will be really helpful for beginners. But I will also be trying out these lashes in this video. I'll be sharing my first impressions as well as a demo, and I will be sharing my thoughts with you guys. So let's just open this and see. Let us see how these lashes actually look. So the hair of the lashes actually do feel quite good and like soft hair. So I'm just gently pulling out one of the lash, and this actually feels quite good and soft. And you can also see the band of and the band is not too thin, not too thick. I think it does have the perfect thickness of the. And I also have to cut this lash a little bit because it is a little long for my eye. So I'm just gonna cut the edges of the lash using a small scissor. So like you can see over here, there's an end where there is actually no lash hair, like the hair gets over, and then there's this corner right here. So I'm just gonna snip off that corner. So if you're a beginner at wearing false lashes, I'm just showing you guys how you can cut, though I do have a full detailed video on my channel already on how to wear fake lashes. So now you can see the lash is actually, yeah, you can see that it's actually now trimmed, and you can see the ends look quite good. So yeah, they're ready for me to put on. And also, another good part about these lashes is that I actually discovered that they do not have a smaller or a larger end. Like both the ends, you can see they're of equal sizes, so you can actually wear them on either eyes. You do not have to have like a right and left pair, which actually I think is very convenient. So yeah, that's something I really liked in these lashes. So guys, I am first going to curl my lashes, and after that I'm going to be applying a coat of mascara on my upper as well as lower lashes, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. And after that I'm going to put on the lashes, and the glue that I'm using is a duo eyelash glue. And guys, these lashes were so easy to apply. The application part was so amazing and easy, and I could just apply them in one go. I did not struggle at all, and also they feel really lightweight on the eyes and they look very beautiful. I absolutely love the effect of these lashes. They look very natural and very beautiful, and I did not find any cons in these lashes at all, so you guys should definitely go for them. So that's it, guys. I hope this review was helpful for you all. If it was, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.